There comes a point when gathering more information stops helping and starts becoming a hiding place. And that's what we're talking about today, the difference between preparing and procrastinating. Preparation feels productive, and sometimes it is, but sometimes preparation becomes a comfortable excuse. We convince ourselves we're getting ready when we're actually avoiding action. Have you ever done this? Watch another video, read another book, take another course, listen to another podcast, yet somehow you never really started. I've been there, and maybe you have too. The problem isn't learning. Learning is valuable. The problem is endless learning without implementation. Knowledge alone doesn't create results. Action does. Think about learning how to swim. You can read every day, or you can read book every day that's available, watch every tutorial, study every technique, but eventually you have to get in the water. The same applies to business. The same applies to growth. The same applies to life. One sign you're preparing is that your learning leads to action. One sign you're procrastinating is that your learning keeps replacing action. There's a difference. Many people tell themselves they need one more piece of information before they begin. But often what they're really seeking is certainty. And certainty rarely exists. At some point, you just have to trust yourself. I believe one of the biggest breakthroughs comes when you stop asking, what else do I need to know? And start asking, what can I do with what I already know? That question changes everything because most people already know enough to start. Not enough to master it, not enough to become an expert, but enough to begin. And beginning is what creates progress. Action reveals what preparation never can. It reveals strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, lessons. And those lessons become your greatest teacher. If you've been stuck in learning mode, consider this your reminder. You don't need another month of preparation. You actually need one small step of implementation. Because action creates clarity and clarity creates confidence. If you've spent months or maybe years learning, researching, and waiting for the perfect time, consider this your sign to take action. Send me a message and let's talk about what your first step could be. Sometimes the biggest breakthrough isn't learning something new. It's finally acting on what you already know. I'd be honored to help you to get started.